On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Seeing Richard driving with no hands. I can't wait to get on the road again. Whoa.
Yeah, I know that I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
So I gotta pack some stuff up to take to APTuning. I want them to double check my turbo, make sure it's still good. Hey Richard, I need that quiet on set, sir.
Quiet on set!
So anyways, I'm about to pack up this box so we can take some stuff to APTuning. I want to take them my turbo to make sure it's still good. And
Is the beer dirty?
I need to pack up my water pump because the water pump that came on the used engine is broken. Hopefully they haven't started tearing down the engine yet, so I can show you guys the engine that I bought. I'm gonna pack up. God damn it! So I'm gonna put the turbo in here, the secondary fuel rail. I have the. Hey, pendejo! Shh. 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 So, anyways, I think they're talking about hand jobs and shit for each other.
Oh yeah.
You fucking fill your boxes.
So I got the steel oil pan I'm gonna send to them for when they put together the other motor. I need to send them my water pump. Hopefully there's no coolant still in it.
I guess
And what else do I need? The fluid amper.
Oh yeah, no, you need like a brush and then wipe it off with microfiber. And it's cheap.
Fluid amper, secondary fuel rail. Intake manifold that's already tapped and drilled. Well, not tapped and drilled, but drilled. And the turbo. I think that's all. And I'll check back in if I figure out something else. Shit, I don't know what else.
Oh, I might.
So we're on our way to APTuning right now to drop off the stuff for the engine. Check out the new, to me, S3 engine. The guy said it was from a 2017 S3 with only 3,000 miles, so it's a relatively new engine. I'll check in when we get to APTuning. Alright, I'll catch you there. The neighbors couldn't agree on what color to paint their shit, so they had to split it right down the middle.
That is right.
How ridiculous.
And they have to pick like bright ass colors and shit, yellow and purple.
And blue.
Yeah, that's McDonald's colors like that.
Yeah, that shit look all haggard anyways. Same turn, different day.
This is where they do all their street pools.
See the sign.
Yep.
Well, damn.
Look at that.
Is that my old one?
Maybe.
I always check.
Damn, you gotta do it from 40 up here? Right down my military or some shit. Like this one.
Whoop. Out of here. Whoop. Got something on there. I can get it for you.
It's caught his fingers.
Oh, you can wipe it over myself.
Yeah, I know. I love it there. Oh, shit. You sound asleep.
What's up? What's going on? Same old shit.
So what would you bring?
I brought the turbo because I want you guys to make sure it's not like toasted.
Okay, okay.
Because I did use a leaf blower and like blew out the exhaust side and like little metal pieces came out.
Okay, okay.
So, and then I brought the secondary fuel rail, the
Cool.
intake manifold since it's already drilled.
Yeah,
I brought the steel oil pan and the water pump. And I think that's it. I brought the primary fuel rail too, just
Yeah,
in
that's
case
fine.
anything.
No, that should be fine. Yeah, because the other one was all complete, so.
But if there ends up being anything that I should have given you, I'll just end up shipping that.
Yeah, that's fine. I think that'd be the brunt of it anyway, at least to get everything started, so. You can kind of get check out the turbo, and then once everything's done, we can get the long block assembled and go from there.
Yeah. Do you guys have it like sitting somewhere?
Oh yeah, it's over here though.
What do you think?
If you guys don't mind, yeah, straight across over in the corner there.
Okay.
If you guys don't mind in there, I'll take Eddie over here just because they're working over here, but I'll take over so you can see his motor.
Cool. That black Golf R out there has a blown up engine too?
No, that car actually didn't have a blown up engine, but he wanted to do everything before he blew it up.
Oh, so he's smarter than me.
I think he just has a lot of disposable money, more than all of us probably. So
I was actually curious how they shipped it because in the pictures they sent, it looked like
they did
questionable, but yeah.
I mean, it looks mint. Like we didn't pull obviously out yet, but
Yeah.
I mean, it looks super clean.
Yeah, it definitely does look really clean.
I mean, it literally looks like new.
Wow, it really does. Like, look at that part. That shit's still shiny and fresh. Oh wait, that's the
oil cooler.
Yeah, the oil cooler.
Yeah, I think it looks mint.
If you can tell me like what size we need for that, like AN lines.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, I'm thinking if this is from Isam, he'd probably. I'm assuming that's his setup.
It is his, yeah.
So I imagine he could supply you with everything to finish the core kit.
That's true.
Yeah.
That
might be the easiest way rather than trying to piece stuff together.
Yeah.
He might have everything that you would need.
That's true. It's crazy, like the deal he gave me, because he wanted 3,000. And I asked him if he'd do 2,500. He's like, meet me halfway, 22,750.
Yeah, there's a deal for this.
Yeah.
Because usually you can't touch these motors for, usually like normal ones for about $3,000 with like 40, 50,000 miles.
Yeah, so. I found one that was in a 2018 Golf R, but I slept on it too long. And they wanted 3,000 plus 210 shipped.
Yeah.
But still, this came out to be a better deal anyway, so.
Yeah, a low mile RRS3 one. And the thing is, most of the stuff's interchangeable, but for a lot of stuff that people do, they always want to make sure you have the matching core or whatever the case may be. So to get an actual RRS3 specific one for that price, that's a hell of a deal.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. It probably won't be anybody.
Nah, not this year.
Yeah, it'll be there. Well, I don't think we're going to bend. We'll probably be racing. We did last year, like last year when IROS went down. Okay. So I don't know if IROS is coming this year, but.
To which one?
To work.
Oh, yeah. I was trying to race,
My first show.
but it rained.
My first show. I've never been to any of them except for European Experience. I refuse to go to that one too.
I thought this one that replaced the original Solo.
It did.
It did, and now then they made a Novo. It was like the small group that kept going back to Helen.
Yeah. The UM fanboy bought an APR piece. Huh?
That's my spot.
He said that black one didn't blow up the engine. He just was smarter than me and pulled it before. They went on a shopping spree in this motherfucker.
I got a shirt.
Hold this shit up, Max. This thing's a piece of shit.
Follow me?
Yeah.
He's gonna kill you for smoking in
We got bushings.
He's not smoking in there.
What's all that?
I'll close his goddamn trunk on his head.
It's better than
fucking $1,100 clutch.
So after APTuning, we're gonna head to New York to go to the DeKalb Food Market. I think it's called DeKalb Food Market. Catch you there. This road's bumpy as fuck, boy. Just trying to take a video of the skyline over here. Shit. You mad, bro? paw cutting so I can get this on film.
You got that crazy cast. Goddamn.
Yeah, bro. It's good footy right there.
Yeet.
So fucking shitty, bro.
Focus.
What bridge that is?
Don't ask me. Last time I thought I was recording the Brooklyn Bridge, the cab driver was like, that's not the Brooklyn Bridge. So,
That's Manhattan Bridge.
the one that we're on? Yeah. So why would I be recording the one we're on and not that crazy looking cool one over there?
That's the Brooklyn.
Okay, I believe you. Huh? This? What? You thought I was scared of that? Boy, I ain't afraid to die. Oh, that's what it is. I said safe play. It's Trader Joe's. Yo, I'm going straight to take a piss. What'd you get, Max?
Hennessy Donuts.
Hennessy Donuts?
Hennessy donut.
Oh,
Come on, man.
Ooh. Smell like Henny?
Oh, dang, they do.
Hennessy donut.
Oh, dang.
Dang, they're the best.
Oh, dang.
What you get?
Oh, dang.
Yo. On what day?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is good as fuck.
Oh, this is a tease. I need
Yeah.
actual Hennessy now.
Oh my god, dude, that's so good. Yo, it even has like that mouth burn.
No.
With the donut.
Wow.
The donut is so good.
Fuck yeah, dude. I'm trying to get some of this shit to go.
Don't worry, it'll be that over.
You won't drink that stout today. Max will drink it.
Do it to Max. 6%, bro.
It's what? How many percentage?
So we're back now. We made a long day out of this shit. Left the house at 6:30 a.m. 9:09. Oh god, I'm gonna lose my leg.
We made it.
Oh shit. Alright, Vatos.
Alright, bro.
Let me get my bag.
Next episode.
Fuck your bag.
I got my plate back there.
Is
Fuck
this
your
you,
plate.
Max? The double shirt?
Oh, what?
Alright guys, catch you later.